Hi, today I'm running Honor X8 5G and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with your finger or just pinch. And here you'll see widgets icon. Just to add one from the available widgets from these applications. For example, let's check that the calendar. I've got two different types of the widgets. To add them to your home screen, just click on the widget and now it's added automatically to your home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, just you should hold it and drag it. To resize it, just by the same way hold it, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to remove it from your home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon, then confirm your action by tap to remove widget. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.